In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change font style on any iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings. After that, scroll down a bit and tap at Display and Brightness. Here we can easily find the option that we can use to make all the text on our entire device bold just in one tap, just like that. That is how it works. And also we have another option that allows us to change the size of the text on any iPhone, and this option located right here at the control center. To go to the control center, swipe down from the top right corner, and here it is. Now we can tap at this shortcut and then we can drag it up and down to increase or reduce text size. The result is displayed right here at the top, so we can see at a glance what the text size is right now. And after that we can go out of here. As you can see, text becomes much bigger now. And then in the same way, we can resize it to default or to whatever size you want. If you don't see this option here at the control center, then at iOS 18 we need to long press somewhere here. And after that, now I'm going to remove it to demonstrate you how to add this shortcut here. And now we need to tap add a control here at the bottom. And after that we need to search for that shortcut here. Just drag it down until you find it. If you cannot find it in that way, you can just search for text. And that's how we can easily find text size here. And now I'm going to tap right there, and then we can put this shortcut here. Also, we can hold this handle and drag it down to change its size. It is iOS 18 feature, and we can save it in that condition here just by tapping somewhere at a blank space. Basically, guys, now we can change text size simply by dragging this slider up or down. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.